In a world where fast food chains and sugary snacks dominate our dietary choices, making healthy decisions can often feel like navigating through a maze with no clear exit. But what if I told you that there's a simpler path to health and wellness, one that doesn't involve counting calories or feeling deprived? The secret lies in choosing foods that are both nourishing and naturally low in carbohydrates and sugars. These nutritional powerhouses not only support weight management, but also enhance overall health, making them essential components of a balanced diet. Why no carb and no sugar foods matter? Consuming foods with no carbs and no sugar is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and supporting weight loss efforts. These foods can help you feel fuller for longer, provide sustained energy, and minimize cravings for unhealthy snacks. Whether you're following a specific dietary plan like keto or simply aiming to improve your eating habits, incorporating these foods into your diet can have transformative effects on your health. The top 15 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a rich source of protein along with essential vitamins B2, B12, and D. Their versatility allows them to be incorporated into any meal, providing a satiating and nutritious option from breakfast scrambles to dinner quiches. The high-quality protein in eggs aids in muscle repair and supports overall bodily functions, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain or improve their health. Number 2. Meat and poultry. Lean cuts of beef, chicken, and turkey are not just devoid of carbs and sugar. They're packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients like iron and zinc. These components are vital for muscle repair, immune function, and overall energy levels. Including a variety of lean meats in your diet can help ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients critical for health and well-being. Number 3. Fish and seafood. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, mackerel, and shrimp are crucial for heart and brain health, offering anti-inflammatory benefits and supporting cognitive function. These seafood options are excellent sources of protein without any carbs or sugar, making them perfect for anyone looking to boost their intake of essential fatty acids. Number 4. Asparagus and mushrooms. Low in carbs yet high in nutrients, asparagus and mushrooms are loaded with antioxidants that support cellular health and reduce inflammation. These vegetables can be easily added to a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to salads, enhancing your meals with both flavor and nutrition. Number 5. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, thanks to their high water content. They're also rich in vitamins K and C, offering additional nutritional benefits, such as supporting bone health and immune function. Enjoy cucumbers in salads or as a crunchy snack to refresh and replenish your body. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower stands out as a low-carb alternative to grains and starches. It can be transformed into rice, mashed potatoes, or even pizza crusts, offering a nutritious and versatile base for a variety of dishes. Its adaptability makes cauliflower an invaluable addition to any health-conscious kitchen. Number 7. Oils, olive and coconut. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet is essential for hormonal balance and cell function. Olive and coconut oils not only provide these beneficial fats, but also add flavor and richness to cooking and salad dressings. Choose high-quality, cold-pressed oils for the most nutritional value. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable brimming with nutrients, including iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. It's ideal for boosting the nutritional content of salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes, supporting everything from eye health to immune function. Number 9. Chia seeds. Despite their small size, chia seeds pack a significant nutritional punch. They're filled with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a fantastic addition to yogurts, smoothies, or as a topping on salads. Chia seeds can help improve digestive health, enhance satiety, and provide sustained energy. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is not only rich in vitamins K and C, but also provides a good amount of fiber, aiding in digestion and supporting immune function. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to soups, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can enhance your diet with its numerous health benefits. Number 11. Almonds. Almonds are a great low-carb snack, high in vitamin E and magnesium. These nutrients contribute to heart health and energy production, making almonds an excellent choice for a healthy snack or as an addition to salads and other dishes. Number 12. Garlic. Garlic is renowned for its potent medicinal properties, including its ability to improve cardiovascular health and boost the immune system. Incorporating garlic into your cooking can not only elevate the flavor of your dishes, but also provide significant health benefits. Number 13. Avocados. High in healthy fats and fiber, avocados are more than just a trendy food item. They can promote heart health and satiety, making them an ideal choice for those following a keto diet or anyone looking for a nutrient-dense snack. Number 14. Eggplant. Eggplant is low in carbs and high in fiber and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for heart health. Its versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of dishes, from lasagna to dips, providing both flavor and nutrition. Number 15. Salmon. Salmon deserves a second mention for its incredible nutritional profile. High in protein and essential fatty acids, salmon supports brain health and provides a range of other health benefits. Incorporating salmon into your diet can help ensure you're getting the nutrients needed for optimal health. Embracing a diet rich in foods with no carbs and no sugar can significantly impact your health and well-being. By focusing on nutrient-dense, whole foods, you're not only supporting your body's needs, but also setting the stage for a healthier lifestyle. Remember, balance is key, and incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can ensure you're getting a wide range of essential nutrients. We'd love to hear about your experiences with incorporating these healthy foods into your diet. Share your thoughts or favorite recipes in the comments below, and let's continue to inspire each other towards a healthier, happier life.